back for the opponents.
Of course, the city, state of royals, Maharajas, and is the peace one. Due to this communication facilities, due to this as well in Rajasthan also. Why Rajasthan is advantageous and beneficial powerhouse? There are so many industrial areas, new industrial areas coming up around 350. It is very near to Delhi, Ahmedabad, and very good highways are connected. No labor issues. There is no unrest in the Rajasthan. Robust infrastructure, highway effective. They are very keen to resolve all the issues, whatever is constructed. Nearly 38% of dedicated freight corridor passes through the state, and easy access catering to 40% market of the country by population. Market is also very near to the Rajasthan. Excellent connectivity.
But Maharashtra same time they are giving for the 100% amount.
By the Maharashtra government, this is for
Yes.
Yes. And Rajasthan government is subsidizing 70.
We are adding up around 100 industrial areas within a year, and 350 industrial areas still operational. We have been ranked number 1 among the all SIDC of the state, and 25 industrial areas have been ranked, awarded as the best industrial areas of the India. And Rajasthan is having ample opportunities in tourism, in textile, in ceramic zone, and other industries. So you can explore, the Coimbatore or Tamil Nadu people can explore in solar energy and other industry also.
Rajasthan state to invite entrepreneurs and industries from this region, from Coimbatore particularly, to invest in Rajasthan and to see for themselves as to what Rajasthan is now offering to the investors for investing there. With in the policy framework, Rajasthan government has introduced a number of policies to provide incentives, benefits and subsidies to the industries being set up in Rajasthan. On the executive framework, we are doing one-stop shop and single window system is being operated. So many exemptions from clearancing, getting clearances and approval of the government and other statutory bodies have been put in place, that Rajasthan has become such a investor-friendly state within a span of last, say, 2-3 years. It has emerged as a very good player in the business. Rajasthan government is coming up with an investment summit, global investment summit in January 2022 in Jaipur, in which eminent industries from all across the country and globe will participate and enter into formal MOUs and starting their business there. So this is a huge opportunity for the investment, for the industrialists to invest in Rajasthan and get full hold of benefits and incentives being provided. So we look forward to Coimbatore and adjoining regions to come in a collective manner, and so that the magnitude of investment rises to a substantial and considerable extent. And Rajasthan government can also be persuaded to offer more benefits to the industries originating, coming from here. That
I am asking
to attract Tirupur, Coimbatore industries, and Erode. In the Erode, I think the textile hub. Coimbatore is industrial, multiple industries are there, including textile or automobiles, everything. And Erode is again masalas and oils and other things. So more areas they are concentrating. They are more destinations go போறாங்க.
Investors வர்றாங்க சார்.
Investors about they are exploring the possibility. They are right now in Jaipur வந்து January global investor meet இருக்கு. அதுக்கு வேண்டி invite பண்ணதா மெயினா வந்திருக்காங்க. And அதுல இருந்து what benefits can be taken by the industrialists during this period. அது சொல்றது கேட்டு தான் they have come here to explain things.
Expecting significant development.
An investment of around 5,000 crores of rupees from Erode, Tirupur and Coimbatore. At least 5,000 crores of rupees worth of investment is what we are eyeing at from here.
And best part வந்து வேறு ஸ்டேட் மாதிரி நீங்கள் லேண்ட் வாங்கின உடனே within a month you can start the industry.
Yeah.
கன்வர்ஷன் வேண்டியதில்லை. இங்கே மெயினாக நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மற்ற ஸ்டேட்டில் லேண்ட் வாங்கி கன்வர்ஷனுக்கே ஒரு வருஷம் போகுதுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் பிளான் அப்ரூவல் கொடுத்து பிளான் அப்ரூவ் ஆகிட்டு வரதுக்கு இன்னொரு வருஷம் போகுது. 2 வருஷம் அதுலேயே போகுதுங்க. இது வந்து வித்தின் 30 days உங்களுக்கு இண்டஸ்ட்ரி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி 3 இயர்ஸ்க்கு டைம் இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு டு டூ தி அதர் ஃபார்மாலிட்டிஸ்.
இந்த கவர்மெண்ட் சப்போர்ட்ல எப்படி இருக்கு சார் அங்க ராஜஸ்தான்ல இங்க இருந்து வரவங்களுக்கான
Supporting very industrial friendly government and they want the state to develop and flourish.
என்ன மாதிரி செக்டர் அதிகம்?
क्या सेक्टर्स है?
Text.
Prominent sectors,
Prominent sectors.
prominent sectors, thrust areas are auto and auto components,
Auto components,
petrochemicals,
solar,
textile sector,
Textile sector.
and hospitality,
Ceramic.
and glass, tourism. These are the thrust areas basically.
mining,
Mining in Rajasthan is the largest mineral producer.
Marble granite.
marble, granite and other mining.
Sandstones.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பண்றீங்களா?
ஒரு 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி
அப்போ
வந்ததுங்க.
எவ்வளோ இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் உள்ள வந்தது சார்?
2 years back क्या रिजल्ट?
5-7 projects have come up from this industrial area. These areas.
இந்த ஏரியாலேருந்து ஒரு 5-7 இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு.
Well,
And they are expecting more.
we had risen from 280 industrial plots to 1,212 industrial plots, and a major contribution to that must have been from this